Hello everyone. How are you all? Today I will draw one picture. But before that, you have to guess who am I? I have wings so I can fly. I am not a bird, but I soar high in the sky. Guess me, what am I? Correct. I am an airplane. Now I will give you some information about an aeroplane. An aeroplane is a mode of air transport. It is one of the fastest mode of transport. In 1903, the Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. Kerosene or jet fuel is used in airplane. A person who drives a plane is called a pilot. Aeroplanes are used to carry people and goods to distant places in shortest time. We can go from one country to another country by an aeroplane. There are lots of plane types such as passenger planes, cargo planes, military planes or private planes. It's a pleasure to travel by an aeroplane. Now sit in an aeroplane and fly your plane. Fly, fly, fly your plane. Fly, fly, fly your plane. Fly up in the air. Fly up in the air. Merrily, 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 life is without a care. Merrily, 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 life is without a care. You can download the worksheet from the description box, take printout and give your favorite color to an aeroplane. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Ding Dong Kids.